Today, we're making a delicious fish-flavored eggplant dish. Wash the eggplant and cut it into long strips. Soak them in salted water for 10 minutes. This will prevent it from turning black, reduce oil absorption during frying. Choose pork with a good ratio of fat to lean and mince it. Take a small bowl, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar in order. Add some water and cornstarch. Mix well to create a fish-flavored sauce. Pour oil into the pan and heat it up. Heat the oil until it's hot enough to make the chopsticks bubble. Now add the eggplant strips. Keep flipping the eggplant while frying to ensure even cooking. Fry the eggplant until it's lightly golden brown, then remove and drain the oil. Leave some oil in the pan. Add the minced pork and stir fry. As the pork changes color, add the minced ginger, garlic, and scallions. Stir fry until fragrant. Then add cooking wine to enhance the flavor of the pork. Add the fermented bean paste and stir fry until the oil turns red. This is the key to making this dish. Then add the fried eggplant strips. Pour in the prepared fish-flavored sauce. Coat the eggplant and pork with the sauce. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens and coats the eggplant and pork. If you don't like deep frying, you can use an air fryer to cook the eggplant. You can adjust the proportions of the fish-flavored sauce. Add more vinegar if you like it more sour. Add more sugar if you like it sweeter. Subscribe to my channel. There's always a dish that's perfect for your taste.